Hello guys, welcome to my channel Nitka Show on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to move folders from one Google Drive to another. So guys, there is a few way you can use and you can move your folders. Okay, so first, I will show you first. Okay, so this is my first Google Drive. I will open the another Google Drive account to show you properly. So you can see here I have two Google Drive account open it. This is second account and this is my first account. So I will show you how you can transfer the folder or how you can move the folder. So first option, just select the folder and download it to your device and go to the second Google Drive and upload from here. So this is a simple way you can move the folder from one Google Drive to another, or you can delete your original first Google Drive folder from here after uploading here. Okay, so this is the first way. Second way, you can share this folder like this. Just right click on it, or just select the folder and click on this share option. And now here you have to enter. So guys, here you can add the email id of this account or new account, or you can write the message. This is a folder, send it. So this folder I have just shared. So come to the new account and go to the share with me, and here you can this file in, you can file this folder. Now you can make the copy. Okay, but for folder you can't make the copy, just you have to open the folder and select the all file. Just hit the control and a, and all folder and file will be selected. Just now right click, okay, unselect the folder only, just select only files, right click and make the copy. Okay, or you can move this file to the new folder and go to the my drive, and here you can create the new folder like backup old uh, drive. Just select and move here. Okay, move it. So now come to the my drive, and here you can see this folder, or you can simply go to the share folder. This is the third option you can use. This is shared folder from this Google Drive. Now click on this folder, come to the old Google Drive account, click on, right click on, go to the share, and this is you, and this is my another account which I just share as a editor. So make as a transfer the ownership, and the invitation will be sent to the new Google Drive email ID. Go to the email ID and accept the invitation, and after accept invitation you will be the new owner, and the folder from here it will be automatically transferred to my drive after you accept the invitation. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.